I want to show you how you can download Microsoft Office package on your laptop or your PC, all for free of charge. Today, please just stay tuned to the end of this video because I'm going to be exposing something that would have cost you loads of money. All right, if you're just tuning in to this channel for the first time, or you're joining this channel for the first time, thank you for coming in. And please do subscribe, do click on the follow button, do subscribe, do turn on the notification bell so that whenever I post something exciting and informative like this, you will be the first to be notified. On this channel, which is Learn and Earn with Obi, I will be giving you information on how you can learn digital skills that will improve you, that will improve and enhance your job, and will also even increase your earning power. All right, so without wasting time, I'll be going deep down into the video, and please do watch it to the end. Thank you. So for us to be able to create this, so we need to go to our desktop and click on new, and then new folder, and then we can name this folder Office 2024. This will help us to keep everything organized in this entire process. So now that you have opened this folder, the next thing is to head on to your browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome. And then once you're in your browser, you go to a new tab, and then go to the search icon and search for the word Microsoft Office Deployment 2 or Microsoft Deployment 2, whichever word you type or search for. So once you do that, you'll see that first link that will appear there, and that is download Office Deployment 2 from Office. Okay, so once you click on that, so that will show you a download link or icon. You can click on that download. So once you click on download, this now goes into your download folder. So you go to your laptop, locate where it's downloaded, and then open that folder. So once I open that folder, I need to install it. So if I double click on it, it's going to install. So if I double click, it's not trying to install. Then I'll need to go and locate on our desktop that folder that we just created, Office 2024. So first of all, accept and continue, and then it will bring up another page where you have to select the folder where you want this package to be installed into. So as you can see, we locate our desktop and Office 2024 folder. We click there to install, and you can see it's successfully installed. Okay, now the next phase or the next stage after this is to open up a new tab on your Chrome or on your browser. Okay, so once you open up a new tab, you can now search for another keyword, and this word is Office Customization Tool. So once you do that, you see the first link there as well. If you click on it, it will now bring up a page where you have to customize what you want to be installed onto your Microsoft Office package. So you select which office suite you want. I selected this particular one, and then of course you now have to select as well this what you want to be the apps you want to install alongside with it, and then of course select also the language you want as well. In this case, I'm selecting the English, United States English. UK did not work for me, so I have to select the United States English. Okay, all right, so if you've done all that I've just done here, the next is to click on export. Okay, so you add on to click on export. So if you click on that export, the next page that will now turn up is for you to save it as an XML file. Do that and say okay, and then do all this checking and all of that, and then export. So once you export, you go again to the download folder where this HTML file is downloaded, and then you can now copy it. So once you copy it, the next thing is to head onto the folder we've created and then paste it inside. Okay, you now have 3 of these files inside this folder. So now that you've had all of this done, now the next is to go and copy this folder, or in fact you can cut it, so it's to move it to a different place. So you want to move it to your local disk, so click on your local disk in your PC and then just paste it inside. We'll be needing the file part of this folder inside the local disk, so we'll copy this file part, which will be going to put into our CMD. So open CMD as you saw there, and that's your command then as you open your CMD, this opens. Remember to do it as run as administrator when you open your CMD. So, and then you go and copy these 5 parts of our folder, and then paste it in front of the blinking tab there. So once you click enter, it shows you the folder we are in. Then you type this word setup configuration configuration.xml file. So once you type this particular exact prompt, and then you click enter. So once we click enter, so what will now happen is the installation process will begin, and that's it. The installation process will begin. So let's wait for it. As you can see, the process has begun, and it's telling us to give it more time. So we're just going to be patient, because it depends on how fast your internet is. Just give it that time. In case yours tells you there's an error, which initially it was my own was showing me error, so I needed to go and uninstall my other Microsoft packages I had. Microsoft Office EN, Microsoft Office Professional 2024 that I had before. I had to uninstall all of them, 2 of them. I initially uninstalled one, it was showing the same error. I have to uninstall the second one. If you go to your control panel, you will know what that is. But if you have questions about that, hit me up on the comment section, and I'll be happy to guide you on how to uninstall yours. Alright, so fast forward, you can see the old apps is still installing. We'll give you some time, and it's going to be done in a few seconds. So I'm going to be pausing the video just to fast forward it a little bit, and then we will see at the end we will get our full Office package up and running. You can see it's all set. Yay! You've got your Microsoft Office package, free of charge. You didn't need to do any cracking, and all of that. So, or you didn't need to pay. So if you go to your laptop again, search for PowerPoint, Microsoft Word, any of this Office package. I'm using Microsoft PowerPoint to just show it. You accept all the licensing thing, and once you've done that, it will now open up your workspace where you can now work on your documents. So just to show you an example of how it will look like, if I open one of the files I was working on before, on an immigration document released by the UK, which I was going to use to make a post. So you can see it's working perfectly fine. I'm signed in on top into my so I have a Microsoft account, of course, and then it's working. You can work on your laptop and save your documents in your laptop as well. So that is it. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, share to others as well. Thank you.